Hi, little Vikings, it's Teacher Casey, and I have some fun, exciting science experiments to show you and for you to follow and also do on your own this week. So, the first science experiment is a tea bag rocket, and this one requires an adult if you want to try it because it uses fire. So, I'm going to show you a video of my brother doing it because it's cool. The next experiment that you see here is using either index cards or like a playing card and folding it up and then putting it under a little plastic cup. Well, first you fill the cup full of water and then you're going to put the index card on top of the cup, and you can see that the index card holds all the water in. It doesn't fall until finally it unsticks and then it falls, but it's super cool. The next experiment I did this week was called Can You Smell Well? And I did this with my dad at home. So you pour water into one cup, and then the rest of the cups, one cup has 3/4 vinegar, 1/4 water, and then the next cup has half vinegar, half water, and then the last cup has a lot of vinegar. And you're gonna have your test person see if they can figure out which cup has the most vinegar by seeing how strong it smells.
Hi everybody. Little Vikings.
Woo! Okay, rank the cups in order from strongest, smell the weakest.
Okay. So I can just pick a cup and smell it?
Yeah, just pick it up and hold it like 6 inches from your nose.
Okay. Now, I'm wearing a mask. But my sense of smell is still available.
Okay.
Because I don't have coronavirus. Okay, that was kind of strong. Weaker, not as strong. Not very strong at all. Okay, the mask is not allowing me to smell very well. So I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, yeah, do it again. I'll back up.
That one's stronger. That one doesn't smell like anything. This is the strongest.
Okay. So, put them in order then.
Strongest. Second strongest. Third. Fourth.
Yeah, you got it right. Yeah, you got good smell.
This one, and this one.
Yay!
Another fun project you can do is make oobleck, which is kind of like slime, but a little different. So you use cornstarch and water, and it'll turn into a solid and a liquid at the same time. It'll change states of matter when you pick it up in your hands. So try it out. The next experiment I did is kind of psychological. You have to use your brain for it. So have your family or whatever friend you have with you memorize this list of words that are related to sleep, and they get 1 minute to memorize the list, and then you take the list away and have them write down as many words as they can remember. And the trick is, if somebody writes down the word sleep, which isn't in the list, it's because their brain convinces them it was on the list. So here's some videos of my family memorizing the list and then saying which words they remembered after a minute, which ones they got to write down. He put sleep on his list because he thought it was the word that he forgot, because everybody realized it was 12 words.
I only got 8 because I'm the oldest one here.
You got 8? Ma, how many did you get?
So, how many?
Yeah, how many did you get?
Yes.
Yes? Nice. How many did you get?
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed seeing and learning about these science experiments, and I hope you try some of your own. Make sure to be safe and have fun. Have a great week, little Vikings.